In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the fate of a piece of DNA carrying only a gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism. Now, statement A, the piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cells of the organism. Now, this is not true because this can happen if the DNA is in the form of plasmid or another independent replicon, but it is not always the case. B, it may be integrated into the genome of the recipient. Now, this is true because this is a very common event where the foreign DNA integrates into the host organism's chromosomal DNA, becoming a permanent part of the organism's genome. C, it may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. Now, this is also true. If the piece of DNA integrates into the host's genome, it can be inherited by the progeny of the host organism. And alternatively, if it is in the form of a plasmid or other replicative vector, it could multiply separately and can also be inherited. D, the alien piece of DNA is not an integral part of the chromosome. Now, this is not always true because if the foreign DNA integrates, it does become an integral part of the chromosome. E, it shows ability to replicate. Now, this is true only if the foreign DNA is in the form of plasmid that can replicate independently. But integration into chromosome would mean it could no longer replicate independently. Thus, the possibilities are only statement B and C. Hence, the correct answer is option A.